Hello, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to reset the maintenance on your Nissan Qashqai. And as you see in the screen, it was telling us that there's a maintenance in the other group. I have scrolled to the menu, gone to the maintenance, there is service, which is still okay, there is the tire, which I don't have measurement sensors, and there is the other group where you can reset your maintenance. And that should fix the issue. Let's go back and let's try to use the key again, and your maintenance sign should be disappeared. That simple it is. If you like it, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.